Hey, Ralph Chapman here, and if you're looking to set up your shop with a limited budget and a small space, well, I've got something for you that you're going to want to take action on immediately. It's a free video presentation where you'll discover the 3 most common mistakes made when setting up your shop. Plus, you'll also discover how to set up your shop for under $1,000, including a shopping list of the best tools and exact links to buy those tools for the lowest price. And the beauty is, it doesn't matter if you don't have a huge space. I've set up shops as small as 8 by 8 feet. So, I'll show you how to convert even the smallest space into an efficient workshop with ease and how to improve your current workspace. This is going to change your entire perspective, your entire approach when it comes to shop setups. So go ahead, click the link below and watch the presentation now. You're absolutely going to love it.
I'm Andy from California, and I've read Ralph's book from cover to cover. I love everything about it. I'm currently converting my own garage into a shop, and Ralph's book has many great ideas. Many of them are inexpensive as well. Now, I've read books on shop setups, and many of them assume that you have an endless budget to buy the tools you need. That's one thing I love about Ralph's book. It emphasizes on budget and cost planning, which is just what I need. And, I also enjoyed the sections on efficient layouts and budget soundproofing ideas. I think almost anyone would benefit from the ideas in this book, from old-timers or newbies as well.
I purchased Ultimate Small Shop because I'm newly retired and I'm attempting to set up a shop in a home we recently moved into. Now, money's always an issue, but more important to me is the subject of time. These are the 2 things that I think are so important in this guide that Ralph has put together. He tells you what you need to do, what you need to buy, and where to buy it. When I go into a hardware store, I'm intimidated just by the selection of drills there are. I don't know what tools to buy or how much I should pay for them. Ralph takes care of all that stuff for you. Ralph's book contains sound advice on all matters of tool selection and space planning. I would highly recommend it to anyone setting up their own shop.